PTV, Telebisyon ng Bayan.
Because I wanted to end a 50-year-old war. But apparently, it seems to me that itong mga terorista wants another 50 wars of killing of Filipinos. Patayan tayong Pilipino ang gusto nila. Okay. They were released on condition that they will participate in the Oslo talks. The only way to do that was to give them the right to bail. But actually, leaders sila, they are not qualified. But we had to convince the judges, despite of the objections of the judiciary, nakiusap na lang kami so that the talks will succeed because ako, personally, I'm desperately trying to find a way to end this 50 years old war. Sabi nila, by the way that they have behaved, they do not want it, and so, I will oblige. Sabi ko sa akin, tumawag si, I think it was Belio Ordoresa, just called in this afternoon, earlier before I went inside for a conference with the military officers. Ano ba sabi ko, fold your tents. And yung lahat ng nasa labas, kayo na-release. Umuwi na kayo dito because you are wanted. And upon your arrival, I will arrest you and place you back in prison. Okay? Dan ngayon, kung ayaw ninyong bumalik, you are fugitives, I will cancel your passports and will inform the international police for an international warrant. Ngayon, gusto ninyong mag-asylum sa Netherlands? O sige, dyan. Because you know, the most ignominious that can happen to a Filipino is to die in somebody else's country. You want that for yourself, I'll give it to you. Cannot come back dito. Mamili kayo. 50 years. Hindi natapos to. Kayong mga sundalo dyan sa bukid. I am offering you peace. Wala na kayong bumaba na lang kayo, maghanap ako. I will find money to place you in settlements and I will proceed with the land reform. Again? What justice? Wala akong imbisyon din color. Basta lahat mag-surrender, tanggapin ko. Huwag na silang bumalik dito. Lalanding talaga sila sa munting lupa. Lalanding, doon sila papunta lahat. Kung ayaw ninyo, sige, magpalibig na kayo dyan sa bayan ng Ina. Nalilibing ang muka mo dyan sa poste ng mga kamera. Lumas ka dyan. Again. I mean, of course, the military has been keeping tab of their activities. But I have issued an alert sa immigration na kung magbalik sila, they will be subjected to an arrest. Alam namin, alam ng military, alam namin kung sino yung mga leader, mga France, and I know, I do not want a bloody thing, but if they choose to do it, fine. Ano? Hindi ako mag-umpisa, maghintay lang ako. Sabi nila, reactionary ang gobyerno. Yes, of course. We will not do anything. But I will wait. Basta ako, kung anong ibigay ninyo sa gobyerno, mga sundalo, ibigay ko talaga sa inyo. Fair is fair. Wala na ako dyan. Yung pag-lift na ko ng ceasefire, they can begin their attacks and we are prepared. And I will use the assets. Maraming eroplano dyan na Karami na natin. May mga jets na tayo. Ihulog ko lahat yan. Well, I leave it to the military to do it. It's a job. I will not interfere. I will never interfere. Hindi ko trabaho yan. Trabaho nila yan. Okay? Ano pa? Yeah. Kayong mga Katoliko, kung maniwala kayo dyan sa mga pare, pati obispo, doon kayo. Kung gusto ninyo mapunta ng langit, doon kayo. Kayo yung gusto ng matapos ang droga, pero magpunta ako sa impyerno, sumabay kayo sa akin.